Hey, what's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to TechView Zone, your favorite spot for the coolest gadgets at the best prices online. Today, we're taking flight with the top 7 best drones on AliExpress under $100. That's right, you don't have to spend a fortune to get a drone with awesome features like HD cameras, altitude hold, gesture control, and even GPS. Introducing the Xiaomi D88 Drone, the ultimate tool for professional aerial photography and videography. Packed with advanced features, this drone is designed to bring your vision to life. Portability meets power. The Xiaomi D88 Drone features a foldable quadcopter design, making it compact and travel-friendly. Take it anywhere, from mountain peaks to urban landscapes, and never miss a shot. With optical flow localization and a pressure sensor for altitude setting, the D88 delivers unmatched stability and precision. Whether you're flying high above or navigating tight spaces, this drone stays steady, ensuring flawless footage every time. Equipped with an 8K HD dual camera and a self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens, the D88 captures every detail in breathtaking clarity. The 90 degrees adjustable camera lets you frame your shots perfectly, while the 50x focal length brings distant subjects closer than ever. Control your shots with ease. The D88's gesture shooting feature allows you to command the drone with simple hand gestures. Wave to start recording, strike a pose, and let the drone do the rest. With a control distance of up to 8,000 meters and 5G high-frequency Wi-Fi image transmission, the D88 ensures seamless connectivity and real-time HD footage, even at extreme distances. Whether you're documenting adventures, capturing fast-paced action, or creating cinematic masterpieces, the Xiaomi D88 Drone delivers professional-grade results. This drone has 4.9 rating and 1000 plus unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes and a charging time of just 1 hour, the D88 keeps you in the air longer, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. Xiaomi D88 Drone, where innovation meets imagination. Elevate your story today. Introducing the Mijia D6 Drone, your gateway to a world of incredible aerial photography and seamless flight experiences. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking views or simply enjoy the thrill of flight, the Mijia D6 delivers it all. Built for adventure, the Mijia D6 Drone is designed for both ease of use and professional quality results. Lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, it's the perfect companion for both beginners and seasoned pilots. With a 4K professional camera and an 8K HD 5G video transmission system, the Mijia D6 captures every moment in ultra-sharp detail. From sweeping vistas to close-up shots, your content will look crisp, clear, and cinematic. Experience the magic of 4K and 8K video, perfect for capturing your most memorable moments with stunning clarity and precision. Don't worry about obstacles. Thanks to its intelligent obstacle avoidance technology, the Mijia D6 can safely navigate around objects, ensuring a smooth and worry-free flight every time. Take full control with the FPV, first-person view, capability. With real-time video transmission, you'll experience the thrill of flying as if you're in the cockpit, all from the convenience of your smartphone or remote control. And when you're ready to land, the auto-return function ensures that your drone will safely return to you at the push of a button, no matter how far you've flown. Looking for the perfect gift? The Mijia D6 makes the ideal Christmas present for anyone who loves tech, adventure, or simply the joy of flying. It's the perfect way to give the gift of flight this holiday season. Compact, portable, and powerful, the Mijia D6 is designed for ease of use and maximum fun. Whether you're capturing memories or simply enjoying the ride, this drone is ready for any adventure. This drone has 5 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Capture the world from new heights with the Mijia D6 Drone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Mijia D6 delivers professional quality results and an unforgettable flight experience. Introducing the F10 Drone, the ultimate tool for professional aerial photography and exploration. Meet the F10 Drone, a powerful, feature-packed quadcopter designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its compact and portable design, you can take it anywhere your adventures lead. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera system, this drone delivers breathtaking photos and videos. Whether you're filming landscapes, events, or fast-paced action, every shot is a masterpiece. Thanks to its brushless motor technology, this drone offers unmatched stability, reduced noise, and longer flight times. Perfect for capturing smooth, cinematic shots every time. With advanced obstacle avoidance technology, this drone ensures safe and seamless flights. Focus on capturing the perfect shot while the drone handles the rest. Take full control with the intuitive remote, offering seamless operation and real-time HD transmission. With 5G Wi-Fi FPV, you can see the world from the drone's perspective in real time. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a travel blogger, or just looking for a high-tech toy, this drone is perfect for all ages. It's more than a drone, it's your gateway to creativity and exploration. This drone has 4.0 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Unleash your creativity and explore the world like never before with this drone. Professional grade quality, advanced technology, and endless possibilities, all in one powerful device. Introducing the Xiaomi V88 Drone, the ultimate tool for professional aerial photography and exploration. Meet the Xiaomi V88 Drone, a cutting-edge quadcopter designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its advanced features and elegant design, it's your perfect companion for capturing the extraordinary. Equipped with an 8K HD triple camera system, the Xiaomi V88 Drone delivers unparalleled photo and video quality. Whether you're filming landscapes, events, or fast-paced action, every frame is a masterpiece. With 5G GPS positioning and optical flow positioning, the Xiaomi V88 Drone ensures precise navigation, stable hovering, and automatic return-to-home functionality. Explore with confidence, knowing your drone is always under control. Stay worry-free with advanced obstacle avoidance technology. The Xiaomi V88 Drone intelligently detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring smooth and safe flights every time. Take full command with the intuitive remote control, offering seamless operation and real-time HD transmission. This Xiaomi drone lets you see the world from a whole new perspective. Whether you're a professional photographer, a travel enthusiast, or just looking for a high-tech toy, this Xiaomi drone is designed for everyone. It's more than a drone, it's your window to the world. This drone has 4.9 rating and 190+ unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your creativity and explore the world like never before with this Xiaomi drone. Professional grade quality, advanced technology, and endless possibilities, all in one powerful device. Get your Xiaomi V88 Drone today and start creating unforgettable moments. Introducing the Xiaomi A11 Max Drone, your ultimate companion for aerial photography and videography. Equipped with an 8K dual camera, the A11 Max delivers stunningly crisp and detailed visuals, whether you're shooting landscapes, action scenes, or creative angles. And with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, you can fly with confidence, knowing the A11 Max intelligently navigates around obstacles to keep your shots smooth and uninterrupted. Get creative with 360 degrees electric camera adjustment, allowing you to shoot from any angle, even upside down. Perfect for capturing dynamic and cinematic footage. Built with a durable combination of plastic, metal, and electronic components, this drone is as sturdy as it is stylish. Choose from classic black or white to match your style. Powered by the high-performance 816 brushless motor, this drone ensures quiet, efficient, and reliable flight every time. With its 5 GHz remote control frequency and 6-channel connectivity, this drone offers precise and responsive control. The left throttle remote control mode makes it easy to pilot, even for beginners. Enjoy extended flight sessions with an impressive 48-minute flight time. That's more than enough to capture all the action and beauty around you. This drone has 4.9 rating and 100+ unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventure enthusiast, or just love exploring new perspectives, the Xiaomi A11 Max Drone is your gateway to limitless creativity. Xiaomi A11 Max Drone, elevate your vision. Introducing the Xiaomi AE7 Pro Drone, the ultimate tool for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. Featuring an 8K HD professional triple camera system, the AE7 Pro delivers breathtaking clarity and detail, ensuring every shot is a masterpiece. With foresighted obstacle avoidance and intelligent navigation, the AE7 Pro keeps your flight safe and smooth, even in challenging environments. Take to the skies in seconds with one-click start. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, the AE7 Pro ensures quiet, efficient, and reliable operation. Conquer the elements with level 6 wind resistance. No matter the conditions, the AE7 Pro stays steady, capturing smooth and stable footage every time. Get the perfect shot with the electrically adjustable camera, offering 360 degrees flexibility for creative angles and perspectives. With optical flow positioning and camera switching, this drone ensures precise hovering and seamless transitions between lenses for unmatched versatility. Designed for portability, the foldable aircraft makes it easy to take the AE7 Pro anywhere. Adventure awaits, and your drone is ready to capture it all. This drone has 4.8 rating and 100+ unit sales on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Equipped with a 6-way gyroscope, this drone delivers unparalleled stability and control, ensuring every flight is as smooth as it is breathtaking. Xiaomi AE7 Pro Drone, redefine your perspective. Introducing the Xiaomi YK8 Drone, your ultimate companion for capturing the world from above. Whether you're a professional photographer or an adventure enthusiast, this drone is designed to elevate your aerial photography game. Compact, foldable, and portable, the YK8 drone is built for convenience. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, this ensures smooth and stable flights, even in challenging conditions. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to professional-grade results. With 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, the YK8 intelligently navigates around obstacles, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on capturing breathtaking shots. Equipped with a 4K HD camera, this delivers crystal clear images and videos. Every detail is captured in stunning resolution, making your memories truly unforgettable. Thanks to Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control the drone and stream live footage directly to your smartphone. Share your adventures in real time with friends and family. This drone has 5 rating on AliExpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether you're exploring new horizons or capturing special moments, the Xiaomi YK8 drone is the perfect gift for anyone who loves to see the world from a different perspective. Experience the future of aerial photography with the Xiaomi YK8 drone. Capture the extraordinary. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.